Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Tuesday, May 21st, 2013. For the NASDAQ side of the market, we definitely have a bias to the buy side here. We've got quite a few upside CPS signals, and a couple of them are on nice volume bumps. We've got an upside signal in Baidu on a volume bump. We also have an upside signal in First Solar on a volume bump. Mixed in there are a couple other signals as well. We've got upside signals in Juniper. The lone sell signal is in Biogen, which is having kind of a rough session, below the day's VWAP by a decent amount, and also below the day's open. Onto the financials. Financials are not as strong as the NASDAQ side. We've got a couple of differential sell signals here. Got one in American Express and one in U.S. Bancorp. U.S. Bancorp is on increased volume, and we're also seeing an increase in volume on Visa. Visa's having a down day as well. So those will be on my list for tomorrow. Looking at the energy names, we're better to buy here for sure. Some of these commodity type names are definitely bouncing today. Arch Coal, ACI having a very strong session, almost 8% above the day's open on an increase in volume. We've also got a volume bump in BTU, CHK, RIG, and also Schlumberger. So a lot there to keep an eye on. Looking at the generals are fairly mixed here, mostly paired off. Got a volume bumps in Best Buy and Comcast. Comcast has a CPS downside signal. Coca-Cola also has a downside signal, but this one doesn't have the same volume bump that the Comcast does. Housing names, we've got a volume bump in Home Depot, but it doesn't have a signal. Right now Lowe's is kind of fighting this out, trying to figure out which way it wants to go for tomorrow. Federal Express in the transportation group has a downside differential signal. Commodity names, there's definitely a lot of action here. ABX really strong, 6.5% above the day's open, but does not have a signal with it. Arch Coal and FCX both have upside CPS signals. Look at the day here in Double G. Its gold names are really strong. Silver Wheaton also really strong. Obviously more of a silver name. Newmont 5% above the day's open. So looking for hopefully some follow through there for tomorrow. Alright folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.